What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B. Man, I'm headed to check out this riding jacket that someone has on Marketplace. And one reason I'm going to check it out, it looked like an authentic gold wing jacket. And it's perforated, and I need a perforated one. I want to try to ride safer, you know, try to be covered up, man, because too many people are going down or getting hit, and I want to have something on to protect me. I do have a riding jacket, but it's not perforated, so I need something where the wind going to come through and get on me, you know what I'm saying? I don't need nothing blocking the wind. So the other one, it's got a liner in it, but it's not perforated like that, so you'll be hot in that boy. And I don't wore it before in the summertime, and it's not a good feeling. And I definitely need something now, since I got this big mad staff windshield on here on the bike, and it looks good on here, and it's the dark smoke one that I have, and it's really wide, so it's knocking the wind off my shoulders and everything. So this is a great windshield, so y'all might want to check out Madstaff. I'll put a link down in the description and go check out Madstaff, and you'll be surprised. I found this boy on eBay, and I found it for $100 bucks. This is a $300 windshield that I found brand new because it was too dark for a guy, and I wanted the dark one, so it was too dark for him, and he didn't like it, so he wanted to get one a little bit clearer. So $100 bucks, no scratches or anything, no dings. I think he put it on and rode with it and saw that it was too dark for him. See, I look over it. I don't know if he was trying to look through it, but I look over my windshield, and that's what I do on mine, and I like it like that. So you know, and I don't even have to let it up, y'all. I don't even feel the wind hit me right now in my head at all. So yeah, man, y'all, I'm on my 2024 DCT Gold Wing called the Hook. Yeah, man, I'm loving it. I'm loving this bike, y'all. But yeah, but I want to be protected a little bit more on this bike while I'm riding, because like I say, I'm seeing too many accidents, man. But I'm definitely a safe rider because I use the Smith system when I ride my bike, and I'm pretty sure a lot of my truck drivers know what the Smith system is. If you don't know what the Smith system is, go Google Smith system for truck drivers, and you'll see it, and it'll tell you everything. It would definitely help you in your everyday driving, even if you're not on your motorcycle. But it will definitely help you on your bike, and you need something like that to be safe out here. But yeah, man, I'm going to check out this riding jacket, y'all. But you see, the sun is out and it is hot, and I really don't have any protection on, so I want to get a little protection for me. And I looked online at some, but when I saw this one on Marketplace, and I buy stuff off of Marketplace, and I would keep doing it, because you find some good stuff on Marketplace. I mean, they have good GoPros on there at a good price, DJI drone, DJI cameras, you know, everything on there. I mean, guitars. I have found a lot of stuff that interests me on that Marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace. Man, I hope they ain't got rocks up here, man. They've been going in and out building this new airport over here, which gonna cause a lot of traffic over here. Yeah, I do see some gravel, man. I gotta be careful right up in here. But yeah, y'all, I'm not gonna hold y'all right here, but I don't know if he'll let me record when I get over there, but if not, I will show y'all the jacket after I depart from his house, because I don't want to show his address and where he lives, you know, because a lot of people don't like that right there. But yeah, I'm just out, man. It's warm out here. I'm not gonna even lie. It's 95 degrees out here, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is 95. But you know what, I'm gonna enjoy this ride in the heat, and I'm loving this Madstaff windshield. This dark smoke, they call it dark gray, but it's really a dark smoke, because they have a light tint, and this is the darkest one you can get, and I like that. So I'm gonna show it to you, and I give y'all a walk around on the bike, let y'all check it out, and show you the products from Zero 3D that I have on the bike as well, some of the carbon fiber parts, and I have some more carbon fiber parts that's coming too. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Ooh, I need to get some gas. I got 1 bar. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the camera right here, and when I get back on and maybe get over there where I'm going, and I'll show y'all what's up. Well, y'all, the jacket didn't fit. It didn't fit. Beautiful jacket, beautiful gold wing riding jacket, and they got it some years ago. So gold wing probably doesn't even make it no more. It's a perforated jacket. It's got gold wing on the back and gold, and it had gold wing on the front right here in gold. Oh, such a beautiful jacket, riding jacket. It was perforated, had the pads in it. Oh my gosh. Oh, it was an extra large. A lot of my other extra large jackets fit me fine, but I guess it's the way it's cut. It didn't. It fit me when I zipped it up, but on my arms, when I let my arms out, if I put my arms on my bars, it would come up my arm a little bit right here. So I didn't want to be looking crazy on my bike, but it was a beautiful riding jacket. Look, she had 2 of them. One was an extra large, one was a small or medium, and they look brand new. Said they probably only wore them once or twice because her husband had some issues with his back after some years, and then he had to sell his gold wing. Yeah, so yeah, man, beautiful riding jacket. So yeah, but other than that, I'm about to find me one, or just buy me a nice riding jacket somewhere. So that's how what I end up doing. I seen a couple of more, but I was really going for that one because it had gold wing on the back, and it was just a beautiful riding jacket. So I might just gotta go with I ain't gonna say, I'll say an off-brand jacket instead of a gold wing one. If I could find a gold wing one like that, oh my gosh, I would buy it. And it was an older couple too, so that jacket probably ain't even in existence no more. I think I seen Charlie Brown with one on, just in the video on today. Yeah, so I'm headed to the house. Take this nice little ride. I'm gonna stop and show y'all the bike and show y'all the mad staff windshield that I have on here. Great looking windshield. I don't even have to have it all the way up, and I have the 18-inch, like I say, the dark gray from Mazda. It's a great windshield, y'all. It's wide. At first it took me a little bit to get used to it, the look, but man, I like it, man, as I keep riding with it. And this is my first time actually checking it out. My dude Slappy kept saying, man, you ain't checked that windshield out yet? Man, I put this boy on and parked it in the garage, y'all. Yeah, I hadn't rolled with it, so this is my first time riding with it. And man, oh man, it looks good on the bike, but I'm gonna find a nice secluded area so y'all can check it out, man. So yeah, so I get with y'all when I stop, and you can check out the windshield, and I'll show you the couple other things that I put on the bike, and something that I got coming for the bike. All right, so I'll see y'all when I get stopped. All right, let's go.
3 days later.
What's going on, y'all? Hey y'all, it's a few days later. I wanted to come in the garage and show you what I have done to the hook right here, and we're gonna start out with the Mad Staff windshield right here. Y'all won't believe it. This is a $300 windshield. It's the dark smoke one right here. And y'all, I got it off of eBay, brand new for $100. $300, y'all. Y'all know if you know anything about Mad Staff windshield, just ask Slappy Dog. This is a $300-something windshield that I got off of there. So make sure you check eBay out every now and then about getting the windshield. And y'all, I got the bullet brake on here. If you didn't catch my video about the bullet brake right here, you need to go check that video out, y'all. This would save your gold wing from rolling, because you know the gold wing have issues with it rolling and stuff like that. So yeah, you got to make sure you check that out. And I have my shorty lever by Traction Dynamics right here. Y'all check out that shorty lever. Go around here, look at that. They got shorty there, y'all. You can pull it with one finger. I'm telling you, the brakes are so good on front of this bike. It's awesome, y'all. I love it. I love that look right there. And you can pull it with one finger or 2 fingers. And I have the Gold Strikes. I'm gonna say Gold Strike series on here. I got the grips right here. And you know, I have all the floorboards, the highway pegs by 0 3D. So make sure you go check out 0 3D Gold Strike Flow website. I'll put a link in the description. Make sure you go check that out, y'all. And I think you will like what you get. I did check on some more, but man, Gold Strike is the best one with the best quality. If you want great quality, this is the route to go. And y'all, at the front of the bike right here, we have the carbon fiber front fender on here, y'all. The front fender that looks good on the bike. I'm gonna get my wheels powder coated gloss black, so that's gonna go really well. And you see I got the carbon fiber stuff here on the mirrors as well, and I got it on the windshield, and I have it down here on the fog lights. So yeah, I got a few things with the carbon fiber look, y'all. I really like the way that look as well. And y'all, underneath the bike, I have Thrashin Dynamics belly plate on here. So make sure you go check out that, because you don't want to have no issues with your belly plate on this bike, y'all. I mean, you know, messing up your motor at the bottom of this bike. Y'all know about that. Y'all know I'm new at this game. And y'all, on the rear here, I have the carbon fiber fender on here. That looks really good on here with the carbon fiber license plate on here as well. And I had a pentacle rack right here as well on here. Very easy to install on this right here. And I have the Saddlemen roll sofa seat. Comfortable, y'all. I know some people say they don't like the roll sofa, say it ain't comfortable, but man, I put some miles on here coming from Colorado and going to Colorado. No back issues. And I have this plate. I know a lot of you probably gonna ask me, how did I get this like this? I went on Amazon, I bought a bracket that goes on here. So I had to have this fabricated right here. So I had to have the bracket, you can see right here, had to have that cut and weld it to the bracket that came off of Amazon. And I'm gonna show you on the screen what bracket I got to fabricate this, okay? So make sure you check that out as well. So, but yeah, man, that's about it on the bike, man. But like I say, I got the gloss black wheels that I'm gonna get on here. They actually the same wheel. I found a company that does an exchange on here on the wheels. They'll send you the gloss wheels and you just send yours back in a different time frame. So yeah, I thought about going with chrome wheels to do something totally different out the box, but I'm gonna go ahead and go gloss black so that all the gloss black will match up with everything on here. And I got another carbon fiber piece coming as well that's gonna cover this here. It's gonna cover all this right here, y'all. It's gonna look good on the bike as well when I get that. It's gonna be carbon fiber. Oh yeah, y'all, and I'm forgetting the biggest thing that I got on here is my Healy bars. Y'all, you got to have these Healy bars. Y'all, these things adjust in 3 different ways right here, so you can get this set up for your comfort on the bike as well. So yeah, man, and I'm gonna tell you a few things I got coming. I have some lights in the house from Electrical Connection right now in the house. That's gonna go here. It's gonna go behind here. It's gonna be a run and turn. And I have the some more lights here, so when you walk up to the bike, they're gonna come on. You know, you have your key fob with you. I need to go get them and I'll let y'all see them. And I have the mirrors coming too with the turn signals on those. That's coming. What else I got coming? And I have the front vent lights that I'm gonna put on here. They are coming as well. They're on the way. They should be here tomorrow. I got an email showing that they will be delivered here real soon. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned for stuff going down on Hook. I'm trying to get this bike complete. So in the wintertime, everything that I got going on Khrome will be ready to go. So like I said, I got the new cam and I'm pulling it all that front end off. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. But I think that's gonna be my winter project. But I'm trying to get this bike set up because we got Twisted in Texas 2 coming up October the 24th through the 26th. So go ahead and book your room in Kerrville, Texas, y'all. We got more details coming, what time we meeting up, the meet and greet that we having at the Harley Davidson. I'm gonna give out all that in the description. Matter of fact, I'll put it down on the screen where the Harley Davidson is. I think it's Bernie, Texas, or Javelin, and the Harley Davidson is Javelin Harley Davidson. That's where we're gonna meet at for the meet and greet on that Friday. And we're gonna go eat after that. I'm gonna put the name of the restaurant where we're gonna eat at. We're gonna do that. Me and Bogey gonna get together. We're gonna do a video, gonna tell you everything from front to back. So you'll know everything going on about that ride. So yeah, that's coming up October, man. Make sure you be there. There's a lot of people already booked. So make sure you go ahead and get your room. If you wanna get one, I'm at the Super 8 right now. So you can contact Tammy, tell them about the fellowship, the fellowship ride. Y'all, we just did that. About Twisted in Texas 2 ride coming up for Kelly B. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all check that out, man. So, but yeah, man, we got a lot going on that I gotta get done on this bike before we go down there, because this year, Huck is going to ride the Twisted Sister. So yeah, so if you're coming to that, put in the comments if you're coming, and make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. I would greatly appreciate it. We're trying to get to 10K before January. I'll say January, before the end of the year. So we're trying to get there. We pushing it. So yeah, we're gonna be close trying to get it. But if we don't get it, man, it's all good, man. It's all good. We're gonna keep pushing and doing what we're doing here in the garage and on the highway. So yeah. Oh yeah, and one more ride that I got before the Twisted Sisters. Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. Yes, Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. That's October the 1st through the 4th. I'll be there the 3rd. I think that's the 2nd and the 3rd or something like that. So I will give you more information on that, or you can Google that. Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue in Rogers, Arkansas. So make sure you check that out as well. So y'all, we're gonna end the video right here, man. Y'all stay tuned for more information and more stuff that's going on the bike. I'm excited about this bike right here. I know a lot of people, it's hard for them to get with the Gold Wing, but man, hey, the Gold Wing community is growing. My dude Sensei did something big down there in Chattanooga. I didn't get to make it, y'all. I didn't get to make it. I had some issues going on. So Sensei, Slappy, they all know about what went on. That's why I didn't get to make it to Chattanooga, and I apologize to all of you all who came down to see me down there. So y'all, I would definitely make that up to y'all. So hey y'all, we're gonna end this video. Y'all stay safe out here on these roads and keep the 2 wheels up, not down, keep them up. And until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. We out. Peace.